continue. Okay. Number 6. Let's see if in this chapter. Each time a person defecates or urinates, even if only one drop, he should wash his hands with water and recite Asher Yatzar blessing. Okay. So commentary. For the text of explanation, meaning of the blessing, see Shulchan Aruch. Okay, so you have in your siddur, or you probably have a poster, so just follow whatever is said there, but try to understand. I know if you say it in English, so it's the best is to say it and have in mind that this blessing is a big zgula to stay healthy. That you appreciate that HaShem open all of these openings and close all of the closing, that whatever must be open is open, whatever must be closed is closed. Otherwise, as we say in that blessing, person cannot survive even 1 hour. So it's not only after the bathroom, but it's like appropriate time. But when you say it, like apply that HaShem, thank you that my hands can walk and my mouth can chew the food, like to everything. That's the meaning of this blessing.
Okay.
It's the best blessing, like zgula to stay healthy is this, and it's free. Right? You don't have to take vitamins, stuff like that. You just use this. Okay. And okay, continue. If one urinated or moved his bowels and forgot to recite Asher Yatzar blessing, and subsequently he urinated and moved his bowels again, and then remember that he did not recite the blessing first time, he need to recite blessing only once. So basically, like what is past is past. That's it. So he cannot. But even though we're going to see this commentary, even though he recites this blessing only once, but he keeps in mind that it's also should cover that first time, wherever I went to the bathroom first time, and even if it's questionable. So like I don't know, person have too much going on in his life at the same time, so maybe he does not remember things, right? So even if it's questionable, so next time you go, just keep in mind. So if I did not say last time, so let this blessing cover even last time. Okay. So let's see commentary 18. According to authorities cited by Mishnah Brura 7.1, even if he did not yet relieve himself a second time, but begins to feel the need to relieve himself again, he should not recite the Asher Yatzar. So basically, it's like that's it. So that emptying of the bowels, that's all. It's history. So now he needs to go again. So even though he did not go yet, and he can hold until he say Asher Yatzar, it's not allowed. Okay. So it says so he should not recite Asher Yatzar from previous time. To avoid this situation, it is advisable to recite the blessing immediately upon exiting the bathroom and washing his hands. So that's what we do. So and try when you say Asher Yatzar, this blessing after the bathroom. So try to say it like slowly and without doing anything. So some people would they do like we would say it while walking, while doing things. Like I don't know. So it's better just stop, and it takes only a few seconds, 20 seconds, whatever it takes. So just thank HaShem that everything worked well, and not only this, as we said this time, but the whole day. It's just thank him. Okay, continue. If one takes a laxative and knows that he will have to move his bowels many times until the laxative runs its course, should not recite Asher Yatzar blessing until the effect of the laxative are finished. Okay, so I don't think everybody agree, but let's see what commentaries say. Mishnah Brura notes that prevalent custom is to recite the blessing, even if this in this case after each time that one goes to the bathroom. So Person has to go to the bathroom 20 times, so he said 20 times. How should I say? Because if you think about logically, everything worked, even though it's because of he took this laxity, but the whole body worked, right? However, if he feels strong constant urge to relieve himself, he may not recite this or any other blessing. Okay, which just makes sense. So he went and he goes out to the bathroom and he feels that in 35 to 45 seconds he would need to run again. So in this case he does not say, but otherwise he says.